Well, a new year, a new mayor, and some new ideas in Fresno. Come January 7th, Mayor-elect Jerry Dyer will be sworn in.
Mosquitoes are a huge problem where I live. So I've already experienced how it is with mosquito abatement team. It just takes too long and it's probably not that effective as I've seen here. So I'm gonna go straight to the mayor. So I'm going to send every week 10 letters to his office. All of them are handwritten and all of them say the same thing. I'm also gonna send him the videos and my request online through Instagram or whatever other platforms that he's on. Now I know this could be just like a simple phone call or something like that. Maybe I can meet him, but I don't want to take chances and I'm tired of wasting time. It's been years of this. I'd rather just bombard the mayor with a whole bunch of correspondence from every angle and hopefully one of them will take. Our mayor just got elected recently, so he's pretty hands-on and wants to get a lot of stuff done. So I think mosquitoes in our city is a big problem for the morale of our citizens and also the health of our citizens. So I'm gonna be sending 10 letters every week, up to 100 letters, all handwritten, all saying the same thing until I get a response. So, Mr. Mayor, if you're watching this video, I've written so many letters already. I'm kind of getting bored, so I've been signing them with different interesting names. This one's Daffy Duck. And here's the letter. Dear Mayor Dyer, hello, my name is Moses, a citizen here in Fresno. For about 5 years now, I have been controlling mosquitoes in my neighborhood. The local news did a story about me. I uploaded a YouTube video on the subject and asked the city mayor for help. A disabled veteran and concerned citizen, signed by me.
My concern is that we as Fresnans have started to see our community, our city, become something that we don't want it to be. I'm going to be calling on the people of Fresno to volunteer. I've already been meeting with organizations, and I want people to step up and donate their time to clean this city up. We're going to roll up our sleeves and work side by side with them, but it really is going to be a community-wide effort, and that's what it's going to take to beautify Fresno.
Watch, this is the one letter he opens and it says Daffy Duck.